How to install Google Voice app on Android. First of all, open the Play Store on your device. Use the search bar at the top to type Google Voice and tap the search button. Find the official Google Voice app developed by Google LLC and select it to open the details page. Tap the install button to download and install the app to your device. Wait until the process finishes. After installation, open the app and log in with your Google account. This will connect your account to Google Voice, giving you access to calls, messages, and voicemail. Make sure to allow the app permissions for contacts, notifications, and microphone so it can work smoothly. Once everything is set up, you can start using Google Voice to make calls, send text, and manage your voicemail all from one app. Now you know how to install the Google Voice app on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.